No, u niekoho není absolútne.
A čo?
Potom to tak vyzerá všetko.
Peas yucky, sauce yucky, pepper, yucky and smelly. Hey, this isn't meatloaf. What kind of a meat is this?
Uh-oh, she's gonna pop.
This is steak.
Is something the matter?
This is steak. And I paid steak.
Keby som nič neriešila, tak polovica veci z tohto, čo som tu urobila ja ako majster, není urobených. Dobre? Áno, nič moc. Ani sprchový kút som neopravila, ani hajzel som neopravila, nevymurovala.
Back so soon? Did you have a great time?
Mia punched her dinner, and it exploded. All over the waiter and everyone was staring at us.
Snažím sa zavolať Ninu.
Everybody is making this into such a big deal.
No more
Budem
restaurants,
sedieť.
young lady, until you can behave well and learn to eat
Budem
what's placed
sedieť.
in front of you.
Si
Now go to
nafetovaný?
your room.
Ty na čom ideš? Čo? Tako, halo?